It's not how hard you fall in life. It's the strength, the mindset that you have to get back up and tread on. Many times we have seen the greatest of the greats would have fallen down, but the mentality and the perseverance that they have would have kept them going. I believe that this young Reggae Boyz team still has something. They still have something in them to fight for. They still have something in them to pull through. We will be playing against Costa Rica, and I believe that this is the bounce back. Welcome back to MG Sports TV. Thank you very much again for tuning in. Really appreciate it. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button if you're here for the first time. No, this is not what everyone wants to hear. They don't want to hear us glamoring about the U20 team. No one wants to hear that, apparently. They would prefer to hear us bash the team, gyrate the team, laugh at the team, and belittle the team in every way we can. They want us to bash the players, coach, everyone. Just want that fun, or that bit of adrenaline to get over, to take control of them in seeing people speak bad of the team. From me personally, you won't get that from me. One, for sure, I understand what is happening and I understand about football. I know what football entails, and I know what it is like to be in a competitive environment sometimes when your competitors are better than you. Now, in life, as I said, it doesn't matter how good your competitors are. You have to have that deep desire within you to showcase that you can compete against them. And I've seen it, I've been in that situation before. It may not be football, but I've been in that situation before. So the Reggae Boyz will be going up against Costa Rica. Very familiar foe. We have played against them in the 2022 U20 Championship, where that game ended 1-1. And most definitely, it was not an easy game. Costa Rica was actually the better team in that day, but we got a 1-1 draw from them. So we know exactly the opponent we are going up against, and it's very important for us to recognize how we're going to approach this game. Now, the Costa Rica team look good, despite they draw with Cuba, and the mere fact that they draw with Cuba, it would have put us in a good position. Nevertheless, I do believe that many persons would expect us to lose to the USA team, but the margin of defeat, yeah, that one was really difficult nonetheless. But it doesn't mean we cannot bounce back. And if you should even follow some of the supporters, then it makes sense, pack up and leave and come. We can tell, because some of the things that they are saying, in my view, is quite distasteful about the team. But everyone is entitled to say what they feel. Sometimes not all comments or opinions are really right or accepted, but you know, people will talk. I can't know about that. Anyways, now as I said, I do hope that the coaching staff would have sit and look at this Costa Rica team and recognize their strengths and their weaknesses, and see how best that we can capitalize on their weaknesses and nullify their strengths. Now our team, this is going to be a difficult one. I won't even do a predicted starting lineup. Let me tell you why I won't do a predicted starting lineup. Because the first match was so chaotic. It's so difficult now in predicting the possibility of who will start. It's very difficult in doing so. We can make an assumption, but it's going to be difficult because we started off with our 11, and after about 30 minutes into the game, we made about 4 changes already. So it was a bit diabolical. Players were all over the pitch. You have centre back playing left back, right wingers playing central. So it was just chaotic. It was very chaotic. So it's very hard. We're now off. So before we get on to the next point, please do, if you reach this far in the video, remember, hit that like button. I would really appreciate it. I know you did think that you were going to hit the like button, and you stopped because you listened to me have to say, and you stopped because you want to go in the comment section. Because since you reached so far now, please do hit the like button. Let's get back on track. Alright, so holistically, there was a lot of confusion in the first game, and it makes it so difficult to consider or even make a prediction in who will start. Now, let me tell you what I would love to see happen. I want to see a bounce back. but not just any bones. But I'm not saying that we're going to beat the Costa Rica team. I'm also not saying that we're going to lose to the Costa Rica team. I want to see a performance. I want to see a unit on the pitch. I want to see not a disjointed team, not a team that has no clue how to defend, who don't look like they can defend. I don't want to see that. I want to see players looking highly, highly competent in what they are doing on the pitch. Players who can get their head into the game and also show a bit of fight in this game. It's going to be a difficult game. I expect it to be a tough game. But nonetheless, I expect all players to go out there and showcase what they have in their tank. It's very, very important. Go out there and play for the badge. And we don't want to see what we saw in the first game against USA. I really, really don't want to see that. Go back to basic. Go back to basic, coach. I beg you, Jerome. Go back to basic. The system that the players were playing was so complicated. Players going in a certain position, don't know when to come out of the position. It was so complicated. And because of that, and also the fact that your players are playing out of position, go back to basic. Put players into their right and respectful position. 2, let it be as simple and basic as possible. 3, just tell the players to apply themselves and enjoy the game. I thought the players were a bit too tense. I have to work hard. You have to work hard. You have to really, really work hard. I can say the last game I watched, Makai Welch was the only person who really with an engine was actually working tremendously throughout the 90 minutes. Now, can we see a draw in this game? From me personally, as I said, I want to see a comeback. I want to see a huge resurgence. I want to see that rebound, that bounce back. I want to see it. It will be important that we do so that we can send a message to the supporters that, hey, we are here to compete. Forget about the first game. Gone and passed. Well, it had to, but it gone already. And we're here to compete and look forward to the next game. Now, we have 2 more games, Costa Rica, Cuba. That's 6 points. If we can capitalize on those 6 points, we can still advance. The problem is 3 teams will be advancing. The difficulty here is if you finish in the 3rd team slot, you will face one of the top teams. We don't really want to do that. I tell you the truth, we really don't want to do that. We might not be as lucky like the last time. Last time we finished, I think we finished 3rd. We finished 3rd in the group and we played 80. I think 80 topped their group and we played 80 and we defeated 80. I think we defeated 80, 2 goals to 1. They went on and lost to Damrep 1-0. But we might not be that lucky this time around. So hopefully, let's see if we can get that 2nd spot. Costa Rica already draw their first match. If we defeat Costa Rica, they will only remain on 1 point. And then we'll have Cuba to face. I'm not saying that we are so superior to Costa Rica or superior to Cuba. At the end of the day, we must believe that we can do something. And if we don't believe that we can do something, it makes no sense to even, you know what? All of the supporters and anyone who's going to comment in the comment section and tell me that we won't win, I would advise you not to watch the game. And don't come when the game finish and what the match reaction, whatever the scoreline be, you come and say, I told you so, or you just not turn up. Don't watch the game, don't care about anything else. So it makes no sense you say you're a supporter. It makes no sense you say you're a supporter, but yet still, you're going to open and say, boy, you don't support the team because of such and such. It makes no sense. But, you know what? I won't tell anyone how to support. That's technically your business. The end idea. I have to be real with you guys. And me have some really good, some elite videos. Me have some videos to drop on the members, and I'm going to do one video this evening and release it on the members. And I'm going to show, and for those members, me I send something special to you guys. Anyways, big up on yourself, people. This for me predictions. Just one performance. Me I go say Jamaica 2-1. Jamaica. Me still have support. People. Only can say boy not gonna happen whatever. I'm still supporting. And just like everybody else, just like anything, me support Arsenal. They don't win on Premier League for much umpteen years, but yes still week in, week out me I watch Arsenal. Not because Reggae Boyz lose a bad beating means me not go watch them. Me watch Arsenal get 8 at that level. I'm still watch Arsenal right now. So I never say Arsenal football. I go dead and football is important again. Our football in their problems. I never said that. Still have hope. I'm still watching it. So why shouldn't I do the same with something that is more close to me, something that's more personal to me, which is the Reggae Boyz and the country Jamaica. So why not? Anyways, 2-1 Jamaica, may I say. Costa Rica is a good team. A really good team. Watching versus Cuba. A strong team. And the battle Cuba still, even though Cuba still get a result. We have to do something in this game. We can't lap our tails in between our legs and just shy out of the game like that, or the competition like that. No. We have to go and put in a fight, put in a performance. So boys, lift on the head up. No say it's rough, no say it's tough. Lift on the head up and go out there and put in a fight. Forget about the 9-0 there. Just forget about it. Done gone already. We don't get it already. Put that aside and let's go out there and look out for the bounce back. Or should I say the rebound. Big up on yourself, people. Smash the like button, hit subscribe button. I know say me delulu or me deluded. Nothing wrong with that. Me a supporter. Me a football fan. Fanatic. Fan short for fanatic. There you go. MG Sports TV, people. Smash the like button, hit subscribe button. Have a wonderful day, people. God bless. We're out. Boom.